So, you've set up an email sequence in AWeber, and now you need to move your subscribers to a new list after they complete it, but AWeber doesn't make it as straightforward as you'd expect. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it, what to watch out for, and whether AWeber is even the best tool for this. Stick around, because by the end, I'll share a better alternative that makes this whole process much easier. First, AWeber doesn't have an automatic Move Subscriber feature like some other platforms. Instead, you'll need to set up an automation to tag subscribers when they complete the sequence, and then use that tag to trigger their move to a new list. This isn't as intuitive as it should be, but it's the only way within AWeber. Next, inside your AWeber account, go to Automations and select the list where your sequence is running. You'll create a rule that says, when a subscriber completes this campaign, apply a tag. This tag will act as a trigger for the next step. Then, you'll set up an automation on your new list. In that list settings, create a rule. When a subscriber is tagged with your chosen tag, add them to this list. But here's the problem, AWeber doesn't actually remove them from the original list unless you manually set another rule to unsubscribe them. It's an extra step and a common frustration. Another issue, AWeber counts each subscriber separately per list. So if someone is on two lists, you're getting charged for them twice. Many email tools, like ActiveCampaign or ConvertKit, treat this differently by managing contacts under one profile, saving you money. Now, if you're doing this for segmentation purposes, sending different emails to different groups, you could manage it with tags instead of lists. But AWeber's tagging system is more limited than other platforms. You can't create advanced automations as easily as you can in something like GetResponse or MailerLite, which let you build workflows visually with more control. So, while AWeber can do this, it's clunky and you're paying extra for duplicate subscribers. If you want an email tool that automates subscriber movement smoothly, without manual workarounds, I recommend checking out Better Tool. It makes list automation effortless, and through our link in the description, you'll get the best free trial with exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.